Hello everyone, my name is Vatsal Modi and today I would like to introduce a new product in the New Zealand market which is called Move to Drop and Deliver, which is M2DD. So, what do you know about M2DD? This one is uh, moving the vehicle which moves from store to the customer and works as an intermediary product. So, um, the type of product or service it is a consumer service. So this one is it transports the grains and cereals, uh, particularly the store sells and and transports to the customer, delivers to the customer, and this is called a homogeneous service because this one is dependent on another. This one is a substitute of another product, which is called this service is when, for example, when customers have do not have online access, this service is much more traditional and is useful. So the features of product or service is uh, so this one so this is a product or in the form of service which ties up with some grocery stores that mainly sells grains and cereals, and it also performs the function of ordering and delivering these groceries to the customers, and hence it works as an intermediary between stores and customers. So it does the pre-planning of of its service and then ties up with the grocery stores, and which mainly sells the grains and cereals. So after the all the process is performed, after the delivery is being successful. So after that, the payment is being done after the delivery is received through in the form of commission. The payment is in the form of commission from the store person. So it also does the marketing and promotion through the digital banners by displaying digital banners on its windows. So here is the operation strategy. So the planning, there are some planning and specifications. So before starting any business, it is very necessary to do a pre-planning. So the pre-planning is being done here by gathering necessary information regarding stores and its locations, its contact details, and organizing the face-to-face meetings between. So the face-to-face meetings is being made between the store person and the intermediary person, the intermediate person who drives the vehicle. So this it so the intermediary person mainly do the analysis and gathers the information regarding the stores and its locations, and also issues the contact details of all the stores. And furthermore, they also do the advertising by printing of the pamphlets and distributing them, and thereby attracting customers towards this service by ensure and they also ensure customer satisfaction by providing an efficient and effective service. So afterwards, they get tied up with grocery stores that mainly sells grains, cereals, and pulses. So the concept here is they collect orders through the phone calls and sends them to suitable stores. Hence, they works as an intermediary on a general basis between grocery stores and customers. Not they are not tied up to a particular store. They are tied up to all grocery stores that sells grains and pulses. So they works as an intermediary on a general basis. After that, so they deliver the delivery of they deliver these groceries to the customers from the stores as per their requirements and specifications. So for example, any customer ordered the grains, like any the wheat flour. So that wheat flour, that order of the wheat flour, they send it to the store person, and then this store person and then delivers and delivers the same back to the customer as per their requirement and the stock available in the store, as per the requirement of available in the store. And if the requirement is not available in the particular store, then they can go for another store. uh, and hence, in this way they ensure the customers are being satisfied and their requirements are being fulfilled. So they receive the payment from the customers at a minimum delivery charge. They charge customer at a minimum delivery. Says for example, they charge around $5 to at the delivery charge, and rest of the charge is being made directly by the store person. And often these persons, the intermediaries, they receive commission from the stores according to the payment period they decided. For example, around 15 days or fortnightly or monthly or weekly, the commission is being paid to them by the store persons. So here is the fast delivery. So the this image illustrates that these uh, grains and pulses are being collected from the store, and the order is being placed to the store, and the grains are collected from the store and then delivered to the customer. So there is a fast delivery. This is a fast delivery that directly reaches to the customer. And the customer also provides feedback to the intermediaries regarding their service and also the store person's service and also the quality of the product. So here is my design and prototype which I designed. So here is the A is store person, A is store, which is the store person. B is the intermediary person, which is delivering the products and service, and the C is the customer. So first of all, um, the that intermediary person that collects all the materials and grains from the store, then sends and then the store person, that the grains are being the order of the grain is being collected, and then the intermediary person does the delivery to the customer, and the customer and they mainly ensure that customers are satisfied and their requirements is being fulfilled. So here is the marketing strategy, which is the branding and marketing. So the intermediaries persons, they do the printing and distributing pamphlets before introducing this service to the customer. In this way they attract the customer towards this service, as it is a traditional service, but the customer gets more attracted to it. So they display digital banners of the store and the product which they are delivering, and also they display digital banners of their own intermediary service by putting special offers and discounts on a particular product. For example, on the grains per kilo, uh, says for example this much is the price is being discounted. So in this way they build the brand recognition. And also furthermore they collect clients reviews and feedback about the service through feedback forms and performing service on the website and social media. So the conclusion is being presented here as they introduce the service of this vehicle in the new to introduce the service of this vehicle in the New Zealand market could improve the efficiency of the business, overall the business operations, and it also builds a brand recognition by ensuring the customers are satisfied and their requirements being fulfilled. So here are my references. Thank you. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.